Hi, I'm Jay and I created this video to thank everyone who subscribed, liked, and shared the videos in my channel. For the past 2 weeks lang, more than 1,000 people already subscribed and marami ang nag-send sa akin ng personal messages saying that they learned something from the videos that I created. And some are asking advice about their businesses. Para sa akin, each person who subscribed and watched my videos are not just numbers. They are real person with real stories and real struggles. That is the reason why I strive to create contents that are helpful sa mga nagsisimula sa pagninegosyo. I know the feeling of not having someone na pwedeng pagtanungan nung nagsisimula ako. So my team and I are diligently working to give you contents that you can use in real life. So together we can face our daily struggles and win. Nandito ako ngayon sa aking office at home kung saan namin ginagawa ang mga contents na hopefully makatulong sa inyo. I appreciate every one of you who watched my videos and I promise to give you meaningful contents that you can share to other people. Again, thank you very much.